What's up, fellows? In this video, I'm going to share with you a free method that you can use to make money online using your laptop or your smartphone. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process that you can follow for you to make money. So let me dive into my laptop so that I can share with you. I managed to generate 323 US dollars by utilizing this free method. So the first step is to go to digistore24.com, and then I'll share with you the free method that you will use to make money from Digistore24, and you will be using LinkedIn, and I'll show you a free trick that you can use to make money with Digistore24 and LinkedIn and ChatGPT. So here you will click get started so that you can register with Digistore24. So you will enter your username, something unique, your email address, and then you enter your password. And down here you will scroll and click on I'm an affiliate. I primarily promote products of vendors. So after that, click on I've read the contract and policy, and then click continue. Thereafter, you will receive an email to confirm or to verify your account. Then come back and log in to your account. You will use your email. Then enter your password. So after logging into your account, the next step is to set up your payment methods. You will click on account and then click on payout account. So for you to receive money, you need to open a PayPal account, and then you enter your password, and then payout per month. You will choose this one so that you can be paid any time of the month in those weeks, and then minimum threshold 50 US dollars, and then click yes, click all, then enter the email address that you will be notified that you have received money, and then select your payment methods. These are the payment methods. For me, I choose PayPal, and then you enter your PayPal account and click save. After that, you will now come to the marketplace where you will find products to promote. And for us, we'll be promoting Tube Magic. So you will search for Tube Magic, or you can come here and search for any product of any niche that you want to promote. Thereafter, you will click on copy link, or first go to the sales page so that you can get information of what Tube Magic entails. So when you click on the sales page, it will bring you here, and you will use this information to write an article about Tube Magic. For you to write this article, you can go to Google and search for Tube Magic so that we can find some keywords that we'll be using to write the article. So we'll search for Tube Magic and search for it on Google. So you can see we have some articles here, and then we have what people are asking. So this is what our articles should entail so that it can rank on Google. So we'll copy all these and then go to ChatGPT. So we'll start with a new text. So here we will enter the text that we have, but before that, let's give it a title. So we want to write an article about Tube Magic. So we can select any prompt here. For example, SEO optimize. So we will enter this and then click write a review article about Tube Magic AI by Matt Bar. And then make sure you include these questions. So the questions that we copied will enter there. Then after that, we will go to the sales page of Tube Magic, and then copy the content in the sales page. So we will copy this and then paste it here. So we will also tell ChatGPT use this information to write the article. So then let's go again to TubeMagic. Then copy the features, all these, copy them, and then enter. Let's go again and copy the questions, frequently asked question. So we have these questions here. You open all these and copy them. And this will help in writing the article. So after copying those questions, you can now click to generate the article. And let's wait for ChatGPT to create this article. As you can see now, we have a ready article by ChatGPT, and this is a nice article because it has some questions and keywords that can rank on Google. So we'll just copy this and go direct to LinkedIn. So we'll copy and then go to LinkedIn. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, just go and register and it's free. You will click on home and then write article. So you will enter an article like Tube Magic AI review. Then you paste the article that you got from ChatGPT and remove the unnecessary things from it. Then after going through the article, you can remove this table of content or just leave it so that it can help you in ranking on Google. So this is even the title that you have been given, so you can remove this. Magic AI Math complete review. Let's take that as a title, cut, and let's use it as our title. So that is the introduction. The next step now is to upload a cover photo, and you can just screenshot the page of TubeMagic and come and upload it as our cover photo. So this is what people will see when they come across this article. So we'll upload it, and you can always make a screenshot of it. So let me go to pictures where I normally save my pictures and search for TubeMagic. So we already have this TubeMagic. We can enter this and then click on next. Then the next step is to enter our affiliate links to this article so that someone who is interested can buy from it. So we'll go back to Digistore24 Marketplace to find the link. So we'll search for TubeMagic again. And then click on copy link or copy promo link. After copying, you can come back to the article and start pasting that link. So you will highlight this and then click on link and then paste it. So you'll find where it says TubeMagic, you paste it. And you can also mention that official. You can just come down here and say official Tube Magic website, and then you embed it. And that is it. When someone searches for this, they'll come across this article and they can purchase from your link. So when someone purchases from your link, you will be able to earn commission. The next step is to click next, and your article will now be published. You may enter some words, but you can't just click publish. So after some days, your article will rank, and when someone search about Tube Magic, they will find your article. So you can see now we have this article, and when someone comes and click on this official Tube Magic website, it will take them to Tube Magic where they can purchase it. You can see. So when someone purchases it, I'll earn a commission. Now, when someone clicks, you'll be able to make money like this. So someone bought the Tube Magic and I was able to make money. You can see Tube Magic, and I now made some commission from just creating content on LinkedIn. So it's super simple. So in case you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like this video. And that's all. Just go to Digistore24 register, go to ChatGPT, and then create content and post on LinkedIn.